Yeah, she fire. Brown skin, pretty brown eyes, slim waist, but her hips kinda wide, thick thighs. She about 5'5" or about 5'6". Pretty tits and high, legs crossed when she sit. Hair was hanging by the inch, then she cut it off. Eyebrows.
Start with that chicken thigh, pat it dry. Get them all in a bowl. Season them all with Tabasco, cayenne, salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Mix it up until it looks just like that. 2 cups of flour, cayenne, paprika, cornstarch, salt, and pepper. Mix it up. That's the flour mix. 2 eggs, buttermilk. You know, want to mix that up. Pour that over the chicken. Mix up the chicken, get it in there, and let it sit. Then coat the chicken very well in the flour. Spicy mayonnaise, paprika, cayenne, Tabasco. Simple. Mix. Oil in. Check that it's hot enough. Has to be hot enough. You want to hear that noise. Chicken thigh, 5 to 6 minutes each side, golden brown, and then flip. After that, take it out just like that. Toasted brioche bun, spicy mayonnaise both sides, pickles, that chicken, top it. Yes,
Rourke Boys mac and cheese, let's get it. Cook your pasta slightly under al dente. You're gonna rinse it, cold water, put it in half pans, add granulated garlic, cracked black pepper, and Parmesan cheese. On top, add any 3 cheese mixture you want, half a cup of milk in each pan, and then you're gonna mix it up so it looks like this. Melt some butter, Velveeta cheese, you're gonna mix it. Mix it and mix it. We're not adding flour, it's not gonna be a roux. You're gonna add some milk, about a cup at a time. Melt down that Velveeta until it looks like this, nice and smooth. Pour that over top of your mixture of mac and cheese. This is gonna be your cheese sauce. Mix that up. Once it's mixed thoroughly, you're still gonna have that whole shredded cheese in there. You're gonna top the pan with more shredded cheese, 300 degrees in the oven for about 30 minutes. Take it out, stir it up, mix it together, in the oven for another 30, and here's what you got. Insert epic cheese pull.
Chick-Fil-A chicken nuggets. Start with that chicken thigh, breast, and cut it into inch-thick cubes. You know, approximately. It doesn't have to be perfect. Now set it into a bowl and cover it in pickle juice. That's going to be our brine. Now for the dredge, we're going to use flour, cornstarch, panko breadcrumbs, a tablespoon of powdered sugar, and a pinch of salt and pepper. Egg wash is simple. A single egg, salt and pepper, whisk it. That's your egg wash. Then after at least 20 minutes, take the chicken out of the pickle juice and dry them. And then it goes egg wash, dredge, and repeat. Do that for all the pieces of chicken. Then get our oil ready. Fill it up about under halfway for the pan. And bring it up to heat. Check with the chopstick and throw them in. Remember, if the oil gets a little too crazy, you could always turn down the heat to bring it under control. Then get your paper towel lined plate ready. After 2 or 3 minutes each side, the chicken's good. Plate it up. Serve it with some fries and you got Chick-Fil-A chicken nuggets. Yes,
No bake Oreo cake. Crush up a package of Oreos, leaving some for toppings, and line them in a 9x13 dish. Now pour half a cup of melted butter over the Oreos. Now add 3 cups of milk over 2 packages of instant vanilla pudding. Whisk until thick. Add 8 ounces of softened cream cheese. 1 cup of sugar. Now mix well. Use a mixture to get the remaining chunks out. Fold in an 8-ounce package of Cool Whip. Now spread over Oreos. Sprinkle the remaining Oreos over the spread. Now refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. No bake Oreo cake.
You can work.
get here and grab